Okay, so what EMDR is a lot like daydreaming. When you are wandering off, staring at the ceiling or the walls or whatever, your mind is just floating and just going from one thought to the next, just watching those thoughts or images pass by, and then the next one comes and it passes by, and you're not really trying to control it. You're not really trying to engage it or manipulate it or make it into any sort of really anything. You're just sitting there. This is what EMDR is like. We use a process called bilateral stimulation, which provides input crossing the midline of the body. So this side over here, this side over here, this side over here, this side over here, going back and forth, which we believe is engaging your REM cycle, actually the same process that engages when you're in deep sleep and helps you organize and store information is available to you while you're awake, which is pretty great. So with all this extra horsepower, we help your mind kind of zoom in on that target, like a traumatic incident that occurred, or maybe a major trigger for an addiction that you're struggling with. And then once we've zoomed in on that, then we just do bilateral stimulation. Eye movements are the most common, where I will literally just wave my fingers like this in front of your face. You'll move your eyes back and forth, and as you're doing that, after you get over the giggles, which is pretty normal, then you're going to start noticing thoughts coming and going. And as those thoughts come and go, every once in a while, I pause and I ask, what are you noticing now? You just tell me honestly. And as we go through that process, I kid you not, your problem gets solved. It just gets fixed. And it's permanent. And I don't have anything clever to say next, but it's permanent. So it works. I have my own EMDR therapist. I encourage everyone to try an EMDR therapist. It is essentially harnessing the power that is already present in your mind to help you get to the solutions you need for the problems that you're struggling with. It is outside the box. It's kind of weird and different, and it works. And it works quickly. So if you're interested, try it out. Set up an appointment with me. Ask me for a referral. I'm connected to a bunch of different providers, EMDR people out there. We'll get you plugged in. We'll make sure that you're getting the EMDR treatment that you're looking for, and hopefully you'll get some relief pretty rapidly. Some people can have their problem solved in 3 sessions. Some people that have more complex trauma, those can take, substantially longer. But either way, you're going to start to notice relief from symptoms pretty soon after you start EMDR therapy. So check it out. Send a message to me. We'll get you plugged in. Thanks for tuning in.